2 headphones, 2 sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Sony WH-CH720N headphones and Soundcore Space Q45 to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Sony WH-CH720N features an exceptionally lightweight over-ear design with soft ear cushions and a comfortable headband that minimizes fatigue during extended listening sessions. In contrast, the Soundcore Space Q45 offers a more premium-feeling construction with thicker memory foam padding and larger ear cups, providing enhanced comfort and passive noise isolation. The Sony WH-CH720N delivers a balanced and natural sound profile with clear vocals and Sony's DSEE technology for improved audio quality. Meanwhile, the Soundcore Space Q45 provides a richer and more customizable listening experience with LDAC support, high-res audio certification, 40mm drivers, and extensive EQ adjustments through the Soundcore app. The Sony WH-CH720N offers up to 50 hours of battery life with ANC off and supports multi-point Bluetooth connectivity for seamless device switching. The Soundcore Space Q45 delivers up to 65 hours of playback with ANC disabled, while also supporting multi-point pairing and high-resolution LDAC wireless audio transmission. The Sony WH-CH720N includes dual noise sensor technology, adaptive sound control, voice assistant compatibility, and customization through the Sony Headphones Connect app. The Soundcore Space Q45 features adaptive ANC, transparency mode, wear detection, LDAC support, customizable EQ settings, and advanced controls through the Soundcore app. The Sony WH-CH720N launched in February 2023 at around $149, focusing on lightweight comfort and everyday ANC use. The Soundcore Space Q45 launched in August 2022 at about $149, offering stronger features like LDAC and longer battery life. The Sony WH-CH720N is ideal for users who prioritize lightweight comfort, balanced sound quality, and reliable everyday noise cancellation. The Soundcore Space Q45 is better suited for users seeking stronger ANC performance, longer battery life, high-res audio support, and extensive sound customization for travel and immersive listening. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.